Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A5 headlight bulb, updated. Begin by gathering a replacement bulb, gloves, and a screwdriver and park safely. I walk you through accessing the rear of the headlight, removing the retaining clip, and swapping the bulb without touching the glass. I also cover simple troubleshooting if the new bulb doesn't light and safety tips to avoid damage or electrical issues during the process. To access the bulb, open the hood and find the rear access panel behind the headlight. Remove any clips or screws carefully and keep hardware organized for reassembly. I demonstrate reaching in, locating the bulb socket, and releasing the wiring harness without tugging the wires. This part is often the trickiest, so take your time and use a flashlight for visibility. If panels resist, check for hidden fasteners before forcing anything. Remove the bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise and easing the bulb out straight. Swap in the replacement, holding only the base to avoid oils on the glass that shorten bulb life. Reinstall by seating the bulb, turning the socket to lock, and fastening any retainers or clips you removed. Reconnect the electrical plug and test the headlight while the hood is open to confirm proper alignment and operation before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.